In lesson 16, number exercise 3, let's run our code, and we have this cute little ladybug. Now we want our ladybug to move. As I said, from now on, whenever I ask you a question, when I want the code to do something after I run it, it's going to be an if. So let's grab an if. Okay. Now, what do I want to happen? Well, if I key down, and I'm going to use an arrow because he or she is facing to the right, I'm going to say lady key down right. And right now I want to go to this sprite, and what do I want my sprite to do? I want my sprite to go towards the right, so that's a counter pattern, right? So I take an X and I type in bug, and since I'm moving from left to right, my X is increasing, so I'm going to need to go to math. And I say bug.x gets the value or equal, and bug.x, and let's give a speed of 4. Okay. Have to reset, have to rerun, and boom, my ladybug goes to the right. So maybe I want the ladybug to go to the left. Well, all good coders, I'm going to copy this whole if, Command C, Command V. I'm going to change that right to a left, and I could put a plus negative here, but I'm just going to change it from in the text. So let's run our code again. I'm going to the right. Now I'm going to the left, which doesn't look great because I'm not turning around. So let's talk about this. Let's go into the animation tab, even though they give you some other options. I'm going to go to the ladybug. Inside the ladybug here, I can see these 3 options. I am only going to click on this duplicate one for right now. So I have a second ladybug, and I'm going to go back up here and call this one ladybug right. And this one I'm going to call ladybug left. Now I'm going to come over to these tools. We have like the onion tool and flip vertically. And that's all I want to do, is I just want to flip it vertically. I could do the same. I could duplicate it again, and I could rename this ladybug up. And I can't flip it vertically, but I can use this tool and flip it up. And then I can duplicate it and call this ladybug down, and flip that down. And now I can make it go in any direction. But if I run my code, I have some problems, okay? Because we just changed all of the names. So I'm going to need to put a set animation in here, relabel it to bug, and then I need to switch it to right. And then I need to put another one in and change it to bug, and then I need to set it to left. Now I'm going to go up to my control. I'm going to grab an if. I'm going to go to world, and I'm going to say key down. Now this time I want it to be key down up. So I'm going to go to sprites, and this time it's going to be a sprite.y bug. Since I'm going up, I can look here and see that I am decreasing on the Y, and grab another bug. I'm going to keep all my speeds at 4, and a sprite animation, set animation, and let's grab up. Let's see if this works. I can go, whoops, where is my error? Oh, I didn't set this first one. So you do have to, if you change all the names, I do have to come back up here and reset that one. I'm going to go to the right, I'm going to go to the left, I'm going to go up. Okay, let's quickly do down. To do down, I'm going to, all good coders, copy and paste. I'm going to highlight this whole if statement, Command C, Command V. I'm going to switch this up to down. I'm going to go over to the show text. I am going to take this minus to a plus. I'm going to go back up. Oh my, there's all kinds of things going on in my house right now. And I'm going to say ladybug down. Okay, I can go right, I can go left, I can go up, I can go down. If I hold the top and the left, I'm going diagonal. So there's all kinds of things I can kind of have a little fun with. And now you have made a moving character. Great job.